Hello everyone, Tacoma Dad here. Today we're going to do a video on clearancing this front bumper up a little bit. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more of this stuff. Anyway, let's hop into it. So today we are going to cut out this section right here. I get quite a bit of damage under there from scraping on rocks and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to outline. Just take a tape, run it along there. Takes a couple tries to get it right. And we're gonna cut along here too, kind of keep this piece intact and run up there. So this right here has nothing to do with what we're doing today. That's kind of something else I'm working on, trying to figure out what else I can do there. But obviously right there you can see the tape line. I've got these pretty much set up down here, roughly 3/8, maybe a little bit bigger than a 3/8 down there on that line, so that way you can trim that off. Gives you something to follow along here and kind of just take it straight back over to here. And then we're going to take all this below, take all of this off. So main reason I'm doing that is because we get a lot of rocks that like to get in the way when we're going over stuff. The license plate frame, see, takes most of the abuse. My license plate is not the best shape, and that is what's left of my license plate frame from the dealership. So we're going to cut that stuff off so we can get a little bit more clearance on the front, but that's another video. So let's get into the cutting of this stuff off. All right, so that is what it looks like cut off. You can see I still have the fender liner to take care of in there and a little bit of that bracket inside there. So it's pretty solid. Just so you guys know, when you cut that part off, it really doesn't do much to the structural integrity of the bumper, but you can see how much more clearance you have getting tires up on things, which is really important when we're out there wheeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this fender liner off, get the other side cut, and get this thing buttoned up real quick, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Stay tuned. And that's it. So you can see the cut that was made. Clears up a whole lot more right there on that front where the wheel is. I'll put this back on just to give you a reference what it'll look like when it's finished, without the license plate bracket, because that thing sticks out like crazy. Right side, a little bit blurry in there. The fender liner is cut back some. There is a bracket that my angle grinder couldn't get to on this one, right there. Cut the other side off, but I couldn't get this one off, so I just bent it out of the way for now. I'll get that cut off tomorrow or something. But what we're gonna do is run a little black edging from like auto parts store just along this edge, just making a nice clean smooth edge. But all in all, the cuts were pretty straight on this one. So it takes you probably 10 minutes to do this with setup, so it's not a real hard thing to do, and it can add a little bit more clearance to the front end. But here's the bracket on the other side. Cut that one off right there so that way it's out of the way, doesn't get hung up on anything. These little bumper caps can come off. I don't know if I'll take mine off. It really doesn't really bother me at all. But there's a couple bolts under there. Take those off, they slide right out. But other than that, that is it. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below. I'll be glad to help you out. But like I said, need a grinder, need a screwdriver, take some of the fasteners out, and get some auto edge trim from the auto parts store. Black, whatever color you want. You can do chrome if you want to, but I'm not a big chrome guy, so that will kind of, if it's up to you, that's up to you. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks.